Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow direct access to removable storage in remote sessions on your Windows computer. So if you are looking to enable or disable remote desktop access to these storage devices, this tutorial will be for you. So this could definitely be useful functionality if you are attempting to connect to another family or friend's device and you are trying to use a remote PC connection, and by default Windows does not allow remote users to access removable storage devices. So if you're trying to help somebody with a USB device, this kind of would allow you to do that. So we're going to go about how to adjust this setting, and we are going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in Regedit, so Regedit. Best match should come back a Registry Editor. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go select Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it is very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab and then select Export. File name, I would normally recommend naming it the date that you're making the backup. Save it to a convenient location on your computer, and export range should be selected to all. And if you ever need to import it back in, no problem, just would select File and then Import, and then navigate to the location of said file. So pretty straightforward. And now we are ready to begin. So double click on the HK current user folder. That's how we're going to start. And then do the same thing for the software subfolder here. So double click on that. Same thing for policies. That should be a Microsoft folder. Double click on that. And then finally there should be a Windows folder listed under here. Left click on that one time. And now there should be a Windows folder under here. Double click on that. So now that we've expanded Windows, I think it's a good time to pause this video if you need to catch up. Each backslash up at the top is a different subfolder we've gone under up to this point. So if you need to see where we've gone so far to get to this point, you can. Okay, so now that we're here, you want to locate a removable storage devices key under here. If you don't see one, we're going to go right click on the Windows folder, select New, and then select Key. I'm probably going to zoom in here so you guys can see it better, but again, you want to type in removable storage devices exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, removable storage devices, hit enter. And now on the right side, you want to right click inside a blank area, select New, then select the word 32-bit value. You want to type in allow remote DASD, capital DASD. So again, allow remote DASD. The A in allow, R in remote, and the DASD should all be capitalized. Hit enter. Double click on this. Type the number 1 in the value data field. Select OK. And if you ever wanted to revert this permission, you can just double click on it and set it to 0. So again, if you want to just turn it off, you can set it to 0 at some point in the future, or you could just delete the whole key. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out. So you will need to restart your computer once that's done, and that should be about it. So once you restarted, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.